Okay, we're rolling, 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 and through the streams of rolling, we're rolling real hard. I am back, ladies and gentlemen, the little ones and no little ones. If you got a little one watching this, send them to the other room, okay? No little ones, only big ones. We need the big ones. Today, I got a drink that's inspired by my good friend, George Kamora, down there at Let's Talk Drinks, down in Australia. And every time he talks drinks, I gotta think, man, this guy knows his cocktails. So this is inspired by him. He just made a drink called Man of War, which he gave me a shout out on. George, I'm gonna make Man on the Moon. Okay? And I hope you're gonna enjoy this cocktail, George. I got 1 ounce of lemon juice and a ½ ounce of simple syrup. 3 ounces of Makers.
Whoa.
Oh, Makers. 3 ounces of Makers.
That's mucho.
Yes, it is. We got you covered there, Georgie. 1 ounce of Cointreau. Now, George, why this is the Man on the Moon is because after you drink this drink, you will be the man on the moon.
You're gonna be flying high?
You know, I might need somebody. 1 ounce of Everclear, because you're gonna be flying high.
Yeah.
You're gonna be flying high.
How
I think I might need a garnish.
Garnish?
Yeah, because Cameron Teresa over there, flour, eggs, and yeast, might be saying, "Where's the garnish, Tony?"
Where's the garnish?
I left all my animals downstairs in my studio.
No. How about
1 ounce of Moscato.
How about half an apple?
Oh, half an apple's good.
Okay.
We're gonna have an apple in there. This isn't even an appletini.
I know.
It's not even an appletini.
That makes it better.
It does, huh?
Yeah.
Now I gotta shake it. So while she's getting the apple ready, I'm gonna shake and I'll come right back to you, folks. And here we go. This is my tribute to George Kamora down there at Let's Talk Drinks.
Well, it's pretty. It looks good. Where's your apple?
It's my Man on the Moon with an apple in for garnish and an umbrella in case it starts to drizzle. Okay? And this is going to be my Drizzle Swizzle Man on the Moon cocktail. George, everybody out there, not just George, everybody that's watching me, especially all my friends down there in Australia. 3 cheers. Then don't forget, get a vaccination. This is good. Oh, this is real good. Don't forget, get your vaccination. No getting Delta, flying Delta. And say hello to your mama. Okay? Cocktail Tony, over and out. You all done? Uh-oh, 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 run, whoa, out of bounds. Thank you for my apple. Okay.